the lecture on FEMA. The homework given to you was section
3,
4, 5,
4,
9.
5.
What is left between?
9 also you said.
6 and 7, those are left out. So actually those are 7 is the most important section for import export. All important rules and regulations pertaining to import and export, those are under section 7. Okay, rest all are easy. Now, even before I start on this, a little introduction about section 10. Because who is authorized to, or rather, which is the highest authority under this act, under FEMA? All
RBI,
sanctions, rules, regulations, that is by RBI, right? And when it comes to enforcement, then there is ED, right? So RBI, how the RBI operates? Under section 10, there is a concept of authorized person. Under section 10, there is a concept of authorized person. Okay. Now, this authorized person, first of all, any person resident in India can apply to be a authorized person. Now, this authorized person is broadly of two categories. One is called authorized dealer. You will find the reference
AD.
AD. Okay. Another person is
Money changer.
money changer. And money changer again of two categories.
full-fledged money changer, restricted money changer.
Restricted and full money changer, commonly referred as RMC and FMC, right? Restricted money changer, he can buy foreign currency. He is entitled to buy foreign currency, and whatever he buys, subject to a small limitation, rest of the money he is required to surrender to the authorized dealer. There is a margin prescribed by RBI that at this rate, the rate of buying and selling is given by RBI, and the actual transactions take place at the price either below or above that. So that is the remuneration taken by the money changer. Say, for example, if the RBI gives a selling rate of dollar today for 83 rupees and you go to a money changer and you want to buy money changer, he may ask you for 86, 87, 88, any price. So the difference between the price given by RBI and the price at which what is being quoted by the money changer, that is his margin. Okay. So, and by chance, if the price is reduced, which doesn't happen generally, but if there is a because of fluctuation, if there is a fall in the price, the loss should also be borne by the money changer. RBI doesn't bear the loss. Okay, so that's why RBI gives a permission for profit margin. Now see this. His role is limited to
Buying.
only
Buying.
buying. Buying what?
Foreign currency.
Foreign currency, not foreign exchange. Right? Foreign exchange is a big term. Right? Full money changer, he can buy and sell foreign currency. So why they are called money changer? They're dealing only in hard cash, nothing else. Right? These people cannot accept a check drawn in foreign currency. They cannot accept the dollars, or rather, you can say the traveler's checks. Okay. As far as authorized dealer is concerned, he can buy, sell, borrow, and lend, import and export. All this is related to
Foreign exchange.
foreign exchange. This is the biggest difference actually. This is foreign exchange. This is only foreign currency. Right? So who's going to handle the inward remittance or outward remittance of the foreign exchange?
Only AD.
Why? Answer is here.
To watch full video, join the regular online batch Call Tayal Institute.